Bam! This is the Mitchell Defense SOIDC rifle. That is a Special Operations Independent Duty Corpsman rifle, and that is from, I mentioned, Mitchell Defense Manufacturing. This is a soup to nuts, badass rifle. In our market demographic, we track who follows the channel age group wise, and it's mid-30s to mid-40s. That age group is perfect for this rifle. And the reason being I say that is because this is not a low-end rifle and it's not a super high-end rifle, but what it is a very feature-rich rifle from the inside out. This is a rifle that if you're in the SPR market, this is where it's at. I met Nate Mitchell, the owner of Mitchell Defense, at SHOT Show. We were at the Delmonico bar one night, and as everybody does at SHOT Show, you start mingling, talking, whatever, and I found out they make rifles. We built content, so they sent the rifle out to the channel, and this thing is a tack driver. Very impressive rifle. This is a 16-inch proof barrel, mid-length gas system. It does come with a basic birdcage style flash hider. Nate and I have spoken about this up front here. I'm not for sure what they'll do, but it's probably not something that I think really needs to come on the gun, because most of us are going to add a suppressor or add some different flash hider anyway, for those of you who live in states where suppressors aren't available. But it does not come with iron sights. I added them. These are the Midwest flip-up sights, kind of a blend of a nitro armament sight and a Magpul iron sight. These are phenomenal options, great flip-ups, very small. If you're looking for iron sight backups, this is where it's at. M-Lock 4-inch, 16-inch rail, or 15-inch rail, 6-inch barrel. Billet lower, billet upper. I had never really seen these polymer injection board covers before from Magpul. Super cool. I like that a lot. Radiant everything, safety, charging handle, Geisley trigger, Magpul grip. It comes in Magpul stock. I swapped out the Magpul stock for the B5s. I just like these better. My only maybe gripe, but again, it's not really a gripe because everybody's going to change these two areas out based on hand size or preference, style, whatever, is the grip. This one is not my favorite, so I'll probably swap this out to a B5 or the new Reptilia. I can't remember what it's called now, but I've been playing with it on one of my other rifles. Phenomenal. But again, that's just something that I prefer, a little less angle and a little longer grip. That's just a personal preference thing. Running the primary arms 2.5 to 10 in the Reptilia mount and the Siley Bear faux aim point. We'll discuss more of this later, but I think you guys will be very impressed on this combination here. So this rifle is the ultimate option for anybody looking for an out-the-box SPR setup. This rifle has all the features and components that you need to build yourself a very, very capable SPR, special purpose rifle. You can run any optic you want here, LPVO, something else, but you really only have to add a bipod, a sling, a suppressor, and an optic, and you are literally out the door. You don't need to change anything in regards to barrel, safeties, triggers, charging handles, any of that stuff. It comes all in the package. They thermal fit the barrels, so you have a very accurate setup there. And again, if you guys want to change out accessories, that's something everybody's going to change anyway, no matter what. They may like it, they may keep it, whatever. As I mentioned, do you on this portion. But if you are on the SPR train, which many people are today, this is a very good option to look at, because overall weight on this rifle prior to accessories is 6 pounds, 1 something, I think it was when I measured it. Very, very lightweight rifle. As it is right now, it's just shy of 9.5 pounds. For a rifle to be under 10 pounds with an optic, with a suppressor, with bipod, that's pretty impressive. I weighed one of my primary arms, or PWS rifles last night, and I have an SPR 1185, no optic on, just a suppressor on it, and that one weighed just shy of 8 pounds. So this one being 9.5 with everything you see kitted out is a very, very good feature of this rifle, because man, with a red dot on this thing, it's wicked light. Very cool, very fast. But I think this is a rifle that I would definitely want to put maybe a slightly bigger piece of glass on here. Or I may stay in the 2.5 to 10. I have a Leupold Mark V 2.5 to 10. I'm not for sure that's going to stay with me or not, but that could go on this rifle as well. If not, I'll probably bump to something 3 to 18 again, maybe another Tremor 3 or a TMR Mark 5, for example. But this is going to be one of the new SPR rifles in the stable. I'm going down to Ridgeline in September to do the Bass Brothers class, and then I'm back, and then I go to scoped carbine with Joe Dawson, Bruce Industries in St. George, Utah at the end of September. So this is a rifle that I'm definitely going to take to both those classes. Of course, as I mentioned, scope will change, but other than that, I'm very, very pleased with how this rifle turned out after talking to Nate at SHOT Show and then him sending it out for the channel. But you'll see more of this rifle in the future, especially in the SPR role, due to how well it shoots and its overall weight. So, as always, guys, we post 2 videos every week on Get Your Manufacturer, Get a Review. Until next time, be well. Take care.